Are you a small business owner, marketer, or influencer trying to figure out how to stay ahead in 2025? Let me show you 5 strategies that'll set you up for success. What's up, everyone? It's Liz, so let's get started. Number 1, embrace automation and efficiency tools. The future is all about working smarter, not harder. Use tools like QuickBooks Online and ADP Payroll to automate your finances, payroll, and reporting. Trust me, it'll save you hours of work and allow you to focus on growing your business instead of getting bogged down with tons of paperwork. For example, I personally help businesses streamline their entire payroll process using ADP. It's really a game changer. Number 2, build a strong online presence. It doesn't matter what industry you're in, your customers are online. This is especially true if you're a marketing agency or social media influencer. 2025 is going to be more digital than ever. So if you're not making social media, SEO, and video content a priority, you're missing out. The best part? You don't need to be a tech expert to do this. Just start by being authentic and providing value. Number 3, know your numbers. As an accountant, I can't stress this enough. You've got to stay on top of your cash flow, profit margins, and expenses. Tools like QuickBooks Online make it easy to track your expenses. But more importantly, don't just track them, analyze them. Understanding your financial health is key to making better business decisions in 2025. Knowledge is power. Number 4, invest in your people. Whether it's your team or yourself, investing in education and development will be crucial for staying ahead. 2025 is about adaptability. Offer training programs, build a supportive culture, and be a leader that listens. For solo entrepreneurs and influencers, this means investing in skills like marketing, accounting, or even personal branding. And last but not least, number 5, stay ahead of the trends. The business world is evolving faster than ever, so staying current is crucial. Follow industry news and pay attention to trends in AI, sustainability, and social responsibility. Being a forward thinker will help you adapt to new opportunities and challenges for anyone else. Those are my 5 best pieces of advice for running a successful business in 2025. Now, it's time for you to take action. If you found these tips helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more practical business advice, and drop a comment below. What's your biggest goal for 2025? Let me know. I would love to hear from you. Until next time, guys. Ciao!